Hi, so this video is about Bhag Milka Bhag. What a fantastic movie, and Mr. Milka Singh, what a fantastic human being. What an inspiration he has been. He has inspired a lot of people in his life. So first, I'll give you a brief about the movie. This movie is based on the true life story of Milka Singh, who was an Indian athlete, champion runner, and an Olympian. At the time of partition in 1947, when there was so much of chaos and so much of mass religion violence, Milka Singh lost his parents in that violence when he was too young. Later, he reached Delhi and met his elder sister, who was living in a refugee camp. In those refugee camps, he made some friends and started stealing with them to earn a living. Later, he joined the army. So now I'll speak about the two scenes from which I got inspired from. The first one is when he joined the army. The Havaldar came down and announced that there will be a cross-country race for 6 miles the very next day, and the top 10 runners will get a chance to run for the brigade games. And in addition to that, they will get a glass of milk and 2 eggs in their meal every day, and they will be excused from their exercise. So Milka Singh was astonished to hear that he will get a glass of milk if he wins. So he ran for his life and won that race. The second scene, on the practice ground, he saw that the people who are wearing a Indian blazer are getting more respect than other people on the ground. So he got so obsessed with that blazer that he saw it hanged somewhere and in a room, and he went down and wore it without taking the permission of the person whom the blazer belonged to, who was Sher Singh Rana, who was also a champion runner. So he got beaten up by him and humiliated by Sher Singh Rana. His Milka Singh's coach came down and saved him and told him that if he wants to wear that blazer, he has to earn it. He has to become a champion. He has to beat Sher Singh Rana for that. And he challenged Sher Singh Rana for the race. The very next day, during the race, Milka Singh was almost on a verge of winning when he got injured by a small stone and he couldn't win. But what happened was that he got highlighted by senior officials of Indian Army. Okay, and they were so impressed by him that they gave him a chance to run in the nationals. So my learnings from these two scenes is that starting from the glass of milk for which Milka Singh ran and won, it was just a small perk for him. Milka Singh wanted that milk so badly because it was luxury to him. He did not run that he will get a chance to run for the brigade games or anything else. He just ran for that glass of milk. But what happened? He also got a chance to run for the brigade games. He got to meet Sher Singh Rana, whom he challenged. Then he got highlighted in the eyes of senior officials of army, and he got a chance to run the nationals. So sometimes these small perks, but for which we for what we aspire, lead us to our success and growth. So we need to set some small goals for ourselves, and we have to imagine and we have to run after those perks from which we will get after achieving our goals. So that is the most important thing. So in life also, like at store level, let's say our PLI, and if you think that I have to earn my PLI 2x, that to 2x, okay, and if we end up achieving it consistently for many months, okay, so what do we get apart from that incentive and that perk? What do we get? We get highlighted in the eyes of our seniors, we get success, we get growth in our life. So we have to know the importance of the perks and the incentives which we are getting from our goals and our targets. And coming to the humiliation part, so we all get humiliated at some or the other point of time in our lives, but that is a time that we need to use that humiliation to build ourselves. That is a time when we have to prove ourselves that we are capable of something. Now, continuing with the story, the third scene. Now, this is about the distraction. When Milka Singh got the success and he got famous, he also got complacent. During 1956 Olympics, he met a girl and he got attracted, and they went in a bar and they had a one night stand. The very next day, on the day of final, he felt exhausted and he lost the race. So he was very disappointed. He felt guilty, and people also started hating Milka Singh because of that. That he lost in the finals of Olympics, which really matters. Okay, so he got hatred from the people. So to overcome from that distraction, he went down to his coach and asked him that what is the world record for the 400-meter race. His coach wrote it on a small piece of paper and gave it to him. He kept that paper with him. He saw that number and he saw that paper every day, constantly, which kept on reminding him that he has to break that record, and which he did also in his life. He broke that record because he set a goal from himself after like getting distracted in that race and he lost the race. He set a goal from himself. So we all get distracted. We all get complacent sometimes in our life. So what is more important is to set a target, set a goal for ourselves. Okay, which because if we don't have a goal, we cannot be focused enough in our lives. So now you see everything, whether you seek your inspiration or coming out of a distraction, they all revolve around your goals which you set for your lives. So the first important thing, setting small goals and setting long-term goals, okay, for yourself is very important. Imagining the perks which you get out from your goals is also important, and knowing the compound interest philosophy. So Milka Singh, what he did and what he got from the compound interest theory, Milka Singh day on day improved himself. Day on day he ran more faster. Okay, so that is compound theory basically, because you cannot, if you're running at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour one day, so suddenly you cannot jump overnight and you'll end up running 60 kilometer per hour the very next day. Just for an example, you day on day, if you're doing consistently, if you're doing one task consistently day on day, you will definitely improve on it. It will be 30 kilometer per hour, 35, 40, 45, just for the example. But by the use of compound interest theory, it will surely gonna improve day on day. So what goal which I have set for myself is to lose 10 kgs of weight in coming months, and the date was 1st of October 2020. And on 1st of October 2020, I'll post a topless picture of myself in a gym, like everyone else who does in the gym. So I'll post a picture of myself topless, and I've wrote it down on a paper and pasted on my wall, which I can see every day. So these are things for me. Thank you so much.